Welcome back to another episode of In a Nutshell, How to Manage Your Finances. I'm Kelvin from Kelvin's Investing on YouTube. Today's episode is all about investing. I will cover how you can grow your money for the short term and over the long term. Here's a problem. For many of us, we are just putting our money in the bank and that's it. We work and save all our life only to find out, how come it's still not enough? That's because of inflation. Right now, Singapore's core inflation is at 5%, which means your money has just lost 5% of its value this year. You just saved 100k in the bank, but too bad, your money just lost $5,000 worth of its value. So the moral of the story is, don't just put your money in the bank and do nothing. Instead, here's what you should do. Number 1, for short-term money that you need immediately, like, oh no, I don't have enough money in my wallet, I need money now, kind of immediate. You can put it in a high-interest savings account like DBS Multiplier, UOB One account, CIMB Fast Saver. If you want to know more, you can go check out tsla, where they will have a super detailed chart for you to compare and decide which is the best bank account for you. But of course, 1 to 2% interest is not enough to beat inflation. Here's the second method. For money that you don't need immediately, but you know that you need within the next 1 to 10 years, like wedding with your bee, or saving up to buy a house, that kind of money. You can put the money somewhere else to earn an even higher return. But don't invest that money because the market can easily crash like right now. You will lose your money and your partner won't be happy at all. Instead, keep the money in somewhere safe like Singapore Savings Bond. Currently, SSB is giving above 3% interest, which is actually super high. That's all. If you need the money, you can easily redeem it and get back your money within 1 month. If you want to learn more, you can go to my YouTube channel, Kelvin Learns Investing, where I've made quite a few videos talking about SSB. Second, long-term investing. For money that you don't need within the next 10 years, just invest all of them. These are the money that you can use after you retire. I know, when people hear about investing, they'll be like, investing can lose money when. Yes, it's true. Investing is very similar to buying lottery. But the difference between buying lottery and investing is that in investing, if you study properly, you will know which number has a higher chance of winning. So, a simple example is the US market. US has the strongest company in the world, like Apple, Google, Microsoft. So just ask yourself, do you feel that these companies will continue to do well 10 to 20 years later? If yes, just invest in them. So that's the basic idea of investing. You are buying companies that you feel can do well over the long term. But also, here's Kelvin's advice. Don't look at your stock often because it makes you sad. Have a life, go out and take a chill pill. Also, you don't have to be too worried about buying at the cheapest point. Just buy when it's cheap lah. Trust the process because over the long term, it should go back up. So that's all for this episode on investing. For the next episode, I will be talking about getting side hustles. I'm Kelvin and in a nutshell, this is how you manage your finances.